Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering the art of eyebrow makeup. Eyebrows, often underestimated, play a pivotal role in framing the face, enhancing your features, and conveying expression. They are not merely strands of hair, they are architectural elements that can dramatically alter your appearance, contributing significantly to facial symmetry and overall harmony. Whether you desire a subtle enhancement or a bold statement-making look, understanding the essential products and techniques is crucial. This video will demystify the world of brow cosmetics from pencils to pomades, ensuring you gain the knowledge and confidence to achieve your desired brow aesthetic. We'll explore how specialized cosmetic products like pencils, powders, gels, and pomades are utilized to define shape, fill in sparse areas, and create both natural-looking and dramatic effects. Get ready to transform your brows and elevate your entire look, discovering how to bring balance and expressiveness to your face with perfectly sculpted arches. Let's dive in. Let's begin our journey with one of the most fundamental and versatile tools in your brow arsenal, the eyebrow pencil. Brow pencils are indispensable for achieving precision and definition, making them ideal for meticulously drawing individual hair-like strokes. This technique is particularly effective for filling in sparse spots where natural hairs might be lacking, creating an illusion of fuller brows without looking overdone. They are also excellent for defining the lower and upper lines of the brow, sharpening the arch, and extending the tail for a polished finish. A standout example in the industry is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, renowned for its ultra-fine tip and spoolie brush, which allows for effortless blending. Its precise application ensures that you can mimic natural brow hairs, building up color and shape gradually for a truly natural yet refined look. Mastering the brow pencil is the first step towards achieving beautifully sculpted and naturally enhanced eyebrows. Moving on to a different approach, eyebrow powders offer a distinct advantage for those seeking a softer, more diffused, and fuller brow look. Unlike the sharp precision of pencils, powders provide a buildable coverage that mimics the natural shadow and density of brow hairs. They are fantastic for adding depth and volume without creating harsh lines, making them perfect for everyday wear or for filling in larger sparse areas more uniformly. For application, an angled brush is your best friend. This tool allows for precise placement while still maintaining a soft, feathered finish. By gently dabbing and sweeping the powder through your brows, you can achieve a natural gradient, starting lighter at the front and gradually building intensity towards the tail. Powders are also excellent for layering over a pencil base to add dimension, or simply used on their own for a quick, effortless enhancement. Embrace the subtle elegance that brow powders bring to your makeup routine. Next, let's explore eyebrow gels, the unsung heroes of brow grooming that provide essential hold and structure. Brow gels are akin to hairspray for your eyebrows. They come in clear or tinted formulas and are designed to tame unruly hairs, set them in place, and keep them perfectly groomed throughout the day. Tinted brow gels, such as the popular Benefit Gimme Brow, go a step further by adding subtle volume and color, making sparse areas appear fuller and adding an extra dimension to your brows. The fibers within products like Benefit Gimme Brow adhere to existing hairs, creating the illusion of more density. Whether you've just filled in your brows with a pencil or powder, or you simply want to enhance your natural brows, a good brow gel is indispensable. It ensures that every hair stays precisely where you want it, providing a polished and long-lasting finish that can withstand the day's activities. Don't underestimate the power of a good gel to complete and lock in your brow look. For those seeking a bolder, more dramatic, and impeccably defined brow, pomades are your go-to product. Eyebrow pomades, like the iconic Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, are creamy, highly pigmented formulas that deliver intense color and incredible staying power. They are typically waterproof and smudge-proof, ensuring your meticulously crafted brows remain flawless from morning to night, making them perfect for long events or humid conditions. Pomades are fantastic for achieving that highly sculpted microblading effect, creating sharp lines and full opaque coverage. While they offer superior definition, they require a steady hand and a precise angled brush for application. A little goes a long way with pomades, so starting with a small amount and building up the intensity is key. They are ideal for creating strong, architectural brows that truly stand out, offering a dramatic contrast to the softer finishes of powders and tinsels. If you're looking to make a statement with your brows, reach for a pomade. While the right products are paramount, even the best cosmetics won't perform optimally without the correct tools and preparation. Let's delve into the essential implements that complement your brow makeup routine. Firstly, a high-quality spoolie brush is non-negotiable. This versatile tool is used to brush hairs into place before application, blend products seamlessly for a natural finish, and remove excess. Secondly, a fine-tipped angled brush is critical for applying powders and pomades with precision, allowing you to create sharp lines and hair-like strokes. Thirdly, a pair of sharp, slanted tweezers is fundamental for preliminary grooming, ensuring stray hairs are removed to create a clean canvas. Finally, preparation is key. Always start with clean, dry brows. Gently trim any excessively long hairs using small brow scissors. This creates a neat base, allowing products to adhere better and achieve a more polished, professional result. Investing in these tools and dedicating a few moments to prep will significantly elevate your eyebrow makeup game, ensuring your brows always look their absolute best. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice by focusing on a widely desired aesthetic: natural-looking brows. The goal here is enhancement, not transformation, making your brows appear fuller and more defined, yet entirely believable. Start by using your spoolie to brush your natural brow hairs upwards and outwards, following their growth pattern. Next, select an eyebrow pencil that matches your hair color or is one shade lighter. With a light hand, draw small, hair-like strokes in sparse areas, focusing on the tail and arch. Remember, less is more to avoid a drawn-on look. After filling, use your spoolie again to gently blend the product, softening any harsh lines and distributing the color evenly. This step is crucial for that seamless, natural finish. Finally, set your brows with a clear or lightly tinted brow gel, brushing the hairs upwards to add volume and keep them in place. This multi-step approach ensures your brows look effortlessly groomed, giving a subtle yet impactful enhancement to your overall facial structure. For those occasions when you want your brows to make a powerful statement, let's explore the technique for sculpting defined and bold brows. This look requires a bit more intensity and precision. Begin by outlining the desired shape of your brow using a precise angled brush and a brow pomade that closely matches your hair color. Create a crisp line along the bottom edge, then extend it slightly to define the tail. Next, use the same pomade and brush to fill in the entire brow, building up the intensity as desired. Remember to use a very light hand at the very front of the brow for a subtle gradient, avoiding a blocky look. For an even more dramatic effect, consider using a concealer a shade lighter than your skin tone around the edges of your brow to sharpen the lines and highlight the arch. This technique, often associated with the microblading effect, offers maximum impact, ensuring your brows are the focal point of your face. Finish with a strong hold brow gel to ensure every hair stays perfectly in place, creating a truly striking and sculpted finish.